If the head of your sewing machine suddenly got stiff and you don't know what to do, you can't pedal, you can't sew, then this video is for you. On today's video, I'm going to help the head of my sewing machine get unstuck. So this sewing machine is stiff. So first thing we'll do is that we'll loosen the knots holding the balance wheel together. That's the washer that holds the balance wheel. So at this point I wanted to loosen it, but the person that tightened it made it a bit too tight, which is a good thing so that it doesn't get loose and start running freewheel. So I decided against loosening it. So next thing I have to fix back the knot. Now, what is making this particular sewing machine head get stuck? This is a Skyfly sewing machine, and different kind. Okay, this is a butterfly sewing machine. Different sewing machines can get stuck at different times. There is Skyfly, there is Ladder, there is Janomi, there is Butterfly, there is Beautiful. There are different kinds of sewing machines, but this particular one is an old butterfly sewing machine. So as of this stage, it's not meant to be having issues. So I realized that the students had already packed thread on the balance wheel of the sewing machine. So I needed to remove the thread so that the head or the balance wheel of the machine can get unstuck. For this particular work, I didn't really need a screwdriver. I didn't need a screwdriver because I wasn't pulling out the balance wheel of the sewing machine. That's this handle you can see me turning. So I just needed a seam ripper and a lot of patience to get this thing unwound. Well, maybe at some point scissors, but you don't exactly need scissors, but a seam ripper can do the job. One thing you can do to prevent this from happening is avoid placing your thread or your thread container beside the balance wheel, because the pressure of the movement or rotation can affect the whole thing and then make it to start dragging the thread that you kept by the side, so it eventually packs it. So here I was rolling the balance wheel while dragging out the thread. Another problem comes up if you take off the balance wheel and you don't fix it tightly. The it starts running freewheel, and until you tighten it, it would keep giving you issues. So this time around I decided to go not exactly the easy way. I decided to go this route because I didn't want to go through the whole stress of removing the balance wheel from the washer. So at all points I was just dragging out the thread. You can see the blue thread that got stuck there. There are so much though, they got stuck there. So it's my machine repair day at Eric's Academy of Fashion in Enugu. So I have a lot of sewing machine plates that I use in changing machines plates when they start grabbing materials. Sometimes when you're sewing and your machine starts dragging your materials, most times it's because the plate is worn already. Too much needle hitting the plates, making that area to become so rough and too open, it starts dragging materials into it. So I had to come with my plate to see if I would change this one if it had any issues. So this usually takes a lot of time and patience. I didn't want my dress to get soiled, so I used my apron from Bebem diapers. I have a almost 2 year old child, so I was using Bebem diapers at some point, and the vendor gave me this apron. So thank you, Bebem diapers, for this beautiful apron, so I can fix machines now without getting sold. So if you're looking for a place to learn how to make wonderful dresses, trendy outfits, have a solid foundation on sewing, Eric's Academy of Fashion in Enugu, located at 48 Nene Street, opposite Queen School, Ogwini Layout, Enugu, is just the right place for you. You can contact us on 070-3211-3474. You can order any of my pattern making books, Advanced Pattern Mastery for the African Woman or Pattern Making for the Shapely African Woman. I'll drop the link in the description box in this video. So this is the new plate I'm replacing because the other one is already worn and it was already dragging fabrics in. So I'm using the plate knots. So I'm using the plate knot to tighten it. Make sure you don't lose any of this plate knot. If you notice, I already cleaned the inside of the machine so that there won't be fiber, like all those tiny tiny pieces of the fabric inside that get worn inside, and I had to clean it up, tighten it, then oil it using a U-pole oil for sewing machine so you can see it. So we use machine needle. We'll fix the machine needle. For this one, I'm using HA machine needle for blackhead sewing machine. So I'm using HA needle, and after threading the sewing machine, you can watch my other videos on how to thread a sewing machine, how to set up a sewing machine, a manual sewing machine, industrial sewing machine, Two Lion, Janome, email, any of your industrial sewing machines. We have the video on how to set it up. We also have videos on how to use different sewing machines, brother sewing machine, just different kinds of sewing machines. We have videos on how to do them. So I'm going to put the link to the playlist in the description box. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share this video so that others too can learn. This video is brought to you by Enugu's Best Fashion Academy, Eric's Academy of Fashion.